Once upon a time, there was a monastery in Tibet. The monks in the monastery meditated from dawn to dusk. One day, it so happened that a cat trespassed into the monastery and disturbed the monks. The head monk instructed that the cat be caught and tied to the banyan tree until dusk. He also advised that every day, to avoid hindrance during meditation, the cat be tied to the banyan tree. So it became a daily practice, a tradition in the monastery, to catch the cat and tie it to the banyan tree before the monks starts meditating. The cat remained tied to the banyan tree as the monks meditated. The tradition continued. One day, the head monk died. As per tradition, the senior-most monk was chosen as the head monk, and all other traditions, including tying the cat to the banyan tree, was continued. One day, the cat died. The whole monastery plunged into chaos. A committee was formed to find a solution, and it was unanimously decided that a cat be bought from the nearby market and tied to the banyan tree before starting the meditation each day. For many more years, this tradition was followed in the monasteries, unchallenged, unquestioned. My dear friend, look at the practices in our lives and even practices in our organizations. Some of those so-called customary practices we follow, we never question it. We don't know why it is done that way and why was it started at the first place. Often, we treat these practices or traditions as commandments, assuming that is the way it is. It can't be done any other way. But the harsh reality is, we must question its existence. Why it is being followed? What is the reason it is started? And if we don't find any valid reason or any relevance in the present day times, then we should discontinue doing it. If you are agree with me, please comment below. That's it for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel because I keep bringing such motivational content for you on daily basis to give you a daily dose of motivation. Thank you so much.